Tillis Tire Shop, W.L. and Regina Tillis. First we want to say thank you to all our loyal customers that have supported us since 2007. We have really been blessed to have such good, faithful customers. But during this virus, we have been still fortunate enough to still stay in business, the Chuck Wagon and the Tillis Tire Shop. And so we want to say thank you once again. We thank these wonderful people that came out to help us put our business out there, to let us have the opportunity to say what we're saying. And we just want to keep going, and we want y'all to keep coming. And we want to say thanks again for all that this tire shop has been for us and for our loyal customers. Thank you.